Hello, I'm Dr. Amy Mercovich, and today's posture tip is the best sleeping positions for your posture. First, I want to tell you what not to do. We don't want to sleep on our stomach, because if you're on your stomach, you have to have your head turned the whole time. You don't want to prop your head up on anything where your head is going to be misaligned, where it'll misalign your neck. So if you have too big of a pillow propped under your head like this, it's going to wreck that neck curve. So we don't want to do that. And lastly, we don't want to sleep with our arms up over our head. So you can have your hands in the air, but you want your elbow, shoulder height, or lower. So first of all, the two best positions are on your back or your side. Let's start with your back. So we're going to use our imagination that this is a bed here. If you're on your back, it's great to use a contoured pillow, but any pillow will do as long as you use it properly. So if you're laying on your back, you want your neck to be supported rather than your head. So a contoured pillow, you're going to pull down towards your shoulders so that your head goes into the valley or the dip, and the pillow supports your neck. If you're using a more traditional pillow, then I'm just going to use a small one to show you. Then all you want to do is pull the pillow down towards your shoulders. Give it a little yank so it's down towards your shoulders and it's supporting your neck more than it is lifting your head. And you never want to use two pillows. So one last thing to show you with side sleeping for ideal positioning would be is if you're on your back with a contoured pillow, you get that into the right position so your head's back and your neck is supported. And then another thing you can do is slide a little pillow under the backs of your thighs. And that softens your knees and it helps with the lower back. Now, even a slightly better position to sleep in, according to some research that came out probably 10 years ago, but it said that if you sleep on your side, you have a better chance of your brain detoxing itself during the night. So whether you want to believe that or not, doesn't matter, but they said that side sleeping was a little bit preferential to back sleeping. So if you're on your side, the goal is to keep your spine in good alignment. So the main thing you have to remember is you have to bring your chin back away from your chest. And I'm going to show you then with all the different pillows what you can do to support yourself really well when you're on your side. So first of all, if you're using a contoured pillow, you may have your ear in the dip or you may put your head out on the side, and that just depends on how big of a person you are, how much space you have to fill between the side of your cheek and the tip of your shoulder. So if you're on your side here, I would put my head in the dip. You can put a little pillow between your knees, and then you can hug a big pillow, and it gives you a place to put your arms. So this way, very comfortable, very supported, and your spine is in great alignment. And there you have it. I hope you get a great night's sleep.